Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to find and copy a YouTube channel URL link. So a YouTube channel URL is the unique web address that identifies a specific channel on the YouTube platform. It's used to navigate directly to the channel and view its content. And there are two main types of YouTube channel URLs. One is the ID base and the other one is the handle base URL. So ID base URL uses unique channel ID, a sequence of numbers and letters to identify the channel. And while the handle base URL uses a user defined handle, which is a username followed by an @ such as @YouTube creators. And then I'll show you on how to find and copy that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. And then once you open up, and on top right corner, then you need to click or tap this YouTube profile. And then next step, then you need to select and tap this YouTube Studio. And then once you open up this YouTube Studio, here at channel dashboard, here at left side navigation pane, and then you need to scroll down and find and locate this customization. So you need to click, and then on here at right side channel customizations, and then you need to scroll down again, find this channel URL. Right, so first you can see this YouTube channel name, and the next you can see now this handle base URL. So this handle base URL, so a unique handle by adding letters and numbers. And you can see guys, this is my name with adding with letters and numbers. Okay, so you can change your handle back with 14 days. Handle can change twice every 14 days. So you can change also your handle base URL, and then you can copy also this one. Alright, and then next, so you need to scroll down again, and then you can find now this channel URL. So this is the standard web address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the numbers and letters at the end of the URL. So you can see also guys, this is my standard channel URL. Alright, so you can copy also this. So on right side, you can see this icon copy, and then you need to click and you can copy now. Alright, so that's it guys. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you with YouTube Studio. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest YouTube tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.